Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're diving into how to add a background to Google Docs in 2025. If you've ever wanted to jazz up your documents with a cool image or color, you're in the right place. This feature has gotten even easier with the latest updates, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer or via the web app. If you're starting fresh, create a new document by clicking the plus button. Now, head to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, select Page Setup. Here, you can quickly change the background color by choosing from the color palette or entering a custom hex code. For example, if you want a subtle blue tint, just pick it and hit OK. Super straightforward, but what if you want to add an image as your background? In 2025, Google has rolled out a dedicated option. Go back to the main menu and click Insert, then select Background. This new feature lets you upload an image from your device, Google Drive, or even search the web directly. Once you've selected your image, you'll see options to adjust its opacity, position, and size. Make sure to set it to Behind Text, so your content stays readable. If you're using an older version or running into issues, here's a quick workaround. Insert an image via Insert, Image. Then right-click it and choose Image Options. Under Text Wrapping, select Behind Text and resize as needed. Remember, keep your image resolution high for the best quality, but watch out for file sizes to avoid slowing down your doc. One tip: if you're collaborating, ensure everyone has edit access, as backgrounds might not sync perfectly in real time. And there you have it. Your Google Doc now looks professional and personalized. Give it a try on your next project. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.